Hi, Edgeworker. It's been a while since I've done sharpening videos. So for today, I'm gonna sharpen this Native 5 G10 in CPM 4B. I believe this is a Scenic exclusive. It's quite dull. It's been used for quite some time. Let me show you the edge. Got this newspaper lying around. So you look at my cut test. It's actually quite sharp, but it's it's kind of slick. So for this sharpening session, I'll be using my Sharpal 325, and then probably going to use this 1200, and after that straight to 3000 or Venev 800. I'll be using my stone in hand technique. So without further ado, I'm gonna dull. Yeah, you can see it's quite dull. Sorry. No more can cut knife. Before that, you see I'm not gonna bother trying to grind into the sharp plunge. Just gonna let it be. I'm gonna use it dry. By the way, I already prepared a strop. This is 6 micron. This is 3 micron, and this is 1 micron. You see all the Sharpal. I'm not sponsored, by the way. This is all by my own money. Okay, before we start, let's, for all time's sake, there you go. The edge is already covered in black marker, just to get a reference, because I've not been doing this for a long time. Right at the money. I'm gonna try to remove the factory grind. By the way, Sharpal has just released its new diamond plate, which is 220, double-sided, 220 and 600. I already ordered it through Amazon. I'm waiting for it to arrive. I am very satisfied with this Sharpal. I used to have the smaller one, 6x2, and then I upgraded to this 8x3, and I ordered another one, 220 and 600. A little bit to the heel. My camera having hard time focusing. Sorry if I went out of frame, yeah. little bit more. I haven't got any burr. Yep, they got a burr, small one. Let's see inside. I'm a little bit high on this angle, so I need to drop it more. Okay, that's how you adjust your angle. Okay. Yep. I know this video is gonna be long. If it's long, I will try to edit it, just not to bore you guys with this repetitive movement. Months back, I got news that Nick has re-released the Dodo, also in this colorway. But at first, I was tempted to get it, but pull out last minute because I was thinking when will I gonna need that. So that's why I pull it. So I don't bother to get it. Gotta pronounce though. Switch more one more time. Now this movement is just to refine the scratch pattern. Okay. By the way, this is this side just now. Okay. Yep, burr. Now I'm gonna weaken this burr before I move to the 1000. Using this diamond, you don't have to bear it so hard because the diamond itself has a great cutting capabilities. So you just take out many work that you need to do. You just need to hold your edge, hold your angle, because you know whatever you put on the diamond, it will be cut by the diamond facet. Still have burr at this side. More like it. This side, don't worry about that black marker, it will be gone after this. Okay, this is this side, so pretty even, I would say. Okay, and time to move to 1200 extra fine. I'm not gonna spend because I already established a good, nice, even bevel both sides. This on this, it won't take much time. This is also to refine the scratch pattern and also to flip burr from side to side. As you can see, sharpening on hand, you don't need much, the stone and the knife. And that's it. Yeah, got a burr. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna edit it, right? No, I'm not gonna edit it. I just fast forward it. Fast forward or not fast forward, speed it up. Yes. Okay, done with the 1200. Now move on with, that is my, where is my Venev? I think it's here. The Venev is here. Yep. 75832 is 1000. This is the 800. So here goes water with small stone like this. Let's see whether I need to move to 1200 F1200 or just maintain at this F800. 4V. This is the MagnaCut is equivalent to this 4V, only that MagnaCut is stainless. This is not stainless. I like 4V and 3V. MagnaCut, yeah, also, but as long as the MagnaCut is heat treated properly, then it is okay. Nice. Still have some still have some deep scratches from the diamond. See, the way I'm holding my stone is like this, so that whenever I move the stone, I move the knife, I can see the edges there, and also I can move it like this instead of when I like this. So I turn the stone like this, hold the stone like that, so when my movement is like just a little bit here, instead of me raising my hand like this, only here. Okay, beautiful today. That's the versatility of sharpening with stone in hand, but stone is like this lah. 1x6 stone. You can hit the tip. Okay. For when I hold the stone with my left hand, it's okay. But when I switch to the other hand, right? There's same thing. Just mirror it. Okay. Usually I edge trailing just to let the burr flip first rather than damaging my stone. Yep. One more time. Let's check it. This is this side. And this side. Yeah. It's bitey. Maybe a couple more pass on the F800 and the burr using F1200. Sorry. I think the burr is in the middle because I can't find the remnant of the burr. As you progress to higher grade of a stone, the burr is kind of getting harder and harder to detect. But you know where the burr move. Your gut. I mean, if you sharpen knife so many times, you know where is the burr gonna flip. Okay, settle with that one. Okay, not the best edges, but you got it. Before stopping, so they can cut paper. Now, probably I gotta skip the 6 micron, go straight to 3 micron. Let's see. I don't put too much pressure when I strop, because I just want the angle to be exact as when I'm sharpening. As with sharpening, I use both hands for stropping. Okay. Wipe it. Let's see the shine with 3 micron. Where is it? 3 micron. Where is it? Oh, here. With 3 micron, you already have that shining. Okay, the other side. Of course you have. Okay, now with 1 micron. I left this this, what do you call that, stropping, this strop, let it strop on bench, let it strop from Sharpal. Take veg then later. When I received this, it was peeled from the one side, so I glued it. No, I glue it. I put a double tap, hard double tap, 3M double tap, the transparent one. Now it's stiff. Okay, I like that. This one has already been lapped a few times. I mean, I resurface it. I remove the previous grit by rubber eraser, and then sand it with a newspaper, with a sandpaper up to 400 grit. How many minutes? So 26 minutes. If I'm not talking, I'll be finishing faster. Okay, seems like I can get here. I just pause it for a while. Let me clean. This is alcohol, by the way. Let's clean this, and then I'm gonna strop it. Strop it once more. Probably start with 1 micron, then half micron. Yeah. 1 micron. Now this is 0.5 micron. This is the strop I made myself using this what do you call it, wash tan leather. Bought it, and this is a perspex plastic. Sometimes when you strop, when there's a bit gritty, it's meaning to say that you are on this, on the shoulder of the edge. When it's feel dragging, you're on the edge. So the feeling of the feel of your knife on the strap determine your angle, the correct angle. For leather, when it's on the bevel itself, it feel like glass. It feel like smooth surface, meaning that you are on the right angle. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, I'll wipe it clean. This is my all light P run. And this, and where is my hair? Okay. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Okay, focus. This is again the grain of the hair. There you go. Now let me adjust the position so that usually if it's against the hair it's easy, but with the hair grain from roots to the tip it's kind of tricky. You need to get a very fine edge, only then you can, yeah. For usually I can do it with VG10. Other still, if I use it Ingles guided sharpener, then it's easy to do it, but no, it's not this. Only against the hair grain. Where is it? Okay. Take the hair off. Take the hair off. Probably I can do it with the hair grain, but I need to do it very subtle. Only a minute to do 2 curls. I think that's okay. Gonna use this Stropping. Maybe I need to stop it a while, but let me show you the kind of shine. Yeah, but from cannot cutting newspaper to cutting newspaper. Yeah, it's clean. There's no catch. Okay, it's bothly. Maybe I need to stop it. Yeah. That's all, guys. Zulu Kilo signing up for Zulu Kilo Edges. Native 5 in 4V Sendix exclusive.